Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new, my name is Traci, and I would love for you to go ahead down below and subscribe to my channel for more cleaning motivation content. In this video, I am cleaning my Graco Slim Fit 3-in-1 car seat, so stick around to the end to see how I do that. I'm starting by vacuuming out the crumbs, and you'll see those big cracker pieces got stuck in the attachment, so I had to take it off to get them out. I'm unsnapping the headpiece. This part holds the shoulder straps in place, and then I'm starting at the top and just pulling the headpiece off. There are these little straps that you need to slide off, and then it just comes right off. Now the bottom piece. The edges just pull off, and then there's a strap that's hooked under the cup holders. The bottom is hard. There are 4 clips across the bottom. You just pull them and they come right out, but it's not easy. And then unsnap the back panel and push the bottom clip through the slot. The edges of the back piece just pull out and then work it over the level piece. This part just unsnaps, and then there's more of those elastic straps in here that just slip off. I'm using a microfiber cloth that's damp with warm water to wipe down the seat. You can use a multi-surface cleaner or a disinfectant, but I prefer to use just water. The cup holders rotate so that they fold into themselves, so I'm just moving them about halfway to either side so I can clean out the crumbs that are in that little split on the bottom. These strap pads just unvelcro, and that's it. This is a storage compartment for the straps. It just pulls open. It was filled with crumbs. There's no way to take the bottom off, so I just slid the seat back to the infant position so that I could get my hand under it and wipe everything out. All of that came out of this seat. Now I'm washing the fabric part of the seat. I'm washing it with the fabric of the Safety First seat that was in one of my previous videos. I will have that linked down below if you want to check it out. These are the products that I'm personally using, but you can use any detergent and fabric softener. You want to wash on the delicate cycle in cold water and then lay out to air dry. Now it's time to reassemble. First, I'm putting the bottom anchor straps back through the slots on either side. And then I'm starting with the bottom seat part of the fabric, putting the bottom buckle through the slot, and then snapping those 4 clips back in place. Now the plastic flaps back into their slots, and I'm hooking the elastic bands under the cup holders.
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know for you. I'll go out of my own way.
Finally, pull the shoulder straps over the back piece. Next, the top piece. First, I'm putting the elastic flaps back into the slots, working it around the level piece, snapping the top and then the back. And I did forget to show the elastic piece that hooks in on the back that I showed in the beginning when I was taking it apart. So you can refer back to the beginning of the video when I was disassembling the seat to see where those little elastic straps are.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
And when you're snapping the back, you want to make sure that the buckles are not under the bottom of the fabric.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Last is the headpiece. This was hard to get back on. It does just slide up on the sides, but it's hard. And make sure that the fabric goes in between the styrofoam piece and the red plastic piece.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Then the plastic flap on the top here, it just slips back in behind the styrofoam piece. There's a little slot. I also forgot to include the elastic straps for the back piece here, but again, if you refer to the beginning of the video, you'll see where they are and how to put them back on. Finally, pull the shoulder straps out and snap the headpiece back together. I did forget to put the strap pads back on, but those go on with the long piece in the back and the Velcro facing out. So this is how I disassemble, clean, and reassemble my Graco Slim Fit 3-in-1 car seat. Don't forget to head down below and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!